This one does not throw in development, where the model is being polite and cooperative. It throws at 2 in the morning in production, when the model decides to start its response with a warm greeting. Let me show you the one token that takes down the whole request. The task is clean and reasonable. You have a user's order. You need to hand it off to the next service as structured JSON. Just get the model to format it and parse the response. Simple, right? Every senior engineer in the room just winced. Here is the setup. You send the prompt, the model responds, and you call json.loads on whatever comes back. json.loads is unforgiving. Give it anything that is not a valid JSON string and it raises. No partial credit, no warnings, just an exception. So you call json.loads on the raw model output. It works every time in your notebook, because in your notebook the model is calm and focused. But models are not a database. They are a text generator with opinions, and sometimes those opinions include a friendly preamble. The model prepends a sentence, or wraps the block in a markdown code fence with backticks, or adds a closing note. One stray character outside the curly braces and json.loads raises and kills the whole request. It does not fail sometimes. It fails unpredictably, which is worse. You asked your friend for just the phone number. Instead, they tell you a heartwarming 5-minute story that happens to contain the phone number somewhere in the middle. The number is in there. You just have to survive the story first. That is your raw model response. 2 moves. First, constrain the output at the API level. Use JSON mode, a tool schema, or structured output so the model is forced to return only valid JSON and nothing else. Second, validate the shape with a typed schema before you trust a single field. Constraint plus validation, not just hoping. Here is the rule. Never trust a model to return clean JSON on its own. Constrain the output format at the API level and validate the shape before you use any of the data. One step without the other is still fragile. And here is my honest grade on this one, 2 out of 5. I shipped the naive parse and got burned in review. My reviewer ran the same notebook prompt twice, and the second run had a code fence the first one did not. That was a quiet afternoon conversation I did not enjoy. Learn from my mistakes, not my highlight reel. Follow for the daily teardown. I grade my own homework so you do not have to. 2 out of 5 moot.